What's the meaning of college of higher education? College of higher education. College of higher education.
College of higher education. College of higher education. The term College of Higher Education generally refers to an educational institution that provides advanced academic and vocational training beyond the high school level but below the level of a university. These colleges typically offer bachelor's degree programs, vocational training, and certificate programs. They may also provide access to research facilities and resources, as well as opportunities for internships and practical work experience. Overall, colleges of higher education aim to provide students with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills that will prepare them for successful careers in a variety of fields.